All right, now when it comes to our weather here, most of us are looking pretty good. Pittsburgh, where Mary is, looking good. You get south though, and those storms are brewing, and some of these storms could be pushing out some gusty winds. These ones approaching that panhandle of West Virginia do have some gusts associated with them. So these are gusty thunderstorms, not quite severe thunderstorms. You need those winds in excess of 58 miles per hour to be considered severe, or hail the size of quarters or larger. Those criteria aren't being met, but it's pretty close. And there's a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, and some quite heavy rain associated with this batch that's moving just north of Parkersburg. And this is going to be clipping areas like the panhandle of West Virginia, and eventually on into Greene, into Fayette, Monongalia, and Preston counties. And that's why we have a severe thunderstorm watch in those counties south of I-70 until 9 p.m. because we're watching that batch of storms, which could get gusty as they make their approach. So it's getting close. You can see it right behind your CBS News Pittsburgh. We call those a bug in the corner, lifting up towards us. So it's getting closer and closer. And again, like we were telling you yesterday, like we're continuing to tell you today, the best chance for strong to severe thunderstorms is going to be south of I-70. And actually, we shifted that just a little bit further south still today, because we were seeing the high-resolution models that we use giving us that potential for the storms further south than what some of the lower resolution models or the more global models were showing. So what we have here is a situation where 9 p.m. we're still finishing up some showers and storms, but a few of those showers might kick up into town. So we're not completely in the clear here in Pittsburgh, but when it comes to severe weather, the best threat, the highest potential for strong to severe thunderstorms is south of I-70. Now tomorrow, we're ultimately looking at a mainly dry day. There could be a little isolated thunderstorm trying to pop up, but I don't think there's going to be too much activity tomorrow. And Saturday, most of the day is looking good. It's not until late where we see some thunderstorms trying to develop, and one or two of those might be strong to severe, but it does not look like Saturday's a washout in any way, shape, or form. Tonight, 65, few showers around, an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow, 85 degrees there. Temperatures very, very warm, 88 muggy degrees on Saturday. Sunday, partly cloudy, small threat of a little pop-up shower or thunderstorm. And then after some storms on Monday, I think the humidity is going to come crashing down and temperatures will fall back to the lower 80s.